So over here you can see that I have this particular image right here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select them all and then merge them to SDR right here. Once you do that, you can see that this is the settings that you get. You can go around and align the image right here so that it automatically detects out alignment, especially if you shot the brackets in handheld mode. And you can also apply the auto settings right here, as you can see right here, and then it balances out everything. So over here you can see that there's something called ghosting right here, the ghosting. If you were to go for low right here and show out the overlays just like this, then it shows you the areas where there are some ghosting effect that happen. So you can see that over here there were a bit of movements during the three shot levels right here, and this is how it balances out everything. You can also go for medium level right here. So if there were more movements, you can go for medium level, and if there's high level of movement, then you can go for high level, so that it fixes out the movement problems over here in between images. You can also go around and choose around the color that you wish to display for ghosting right here, and this is what you have. Then now once you're happy and you see the result, you can simply go around and merge it out just like this. So I'm just simply going to go around and merge this out right here. So let's just go around and merge this out over here. And then what happens is that with the ghosting settings, it merges this out into a new image just like this. So this is how you can go around and correct out SDR ghosting inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.